folks, welcome back to another Queens of the Stone Age lesson and another Patreon request. This one is for Chad DeVries. Hope I've pronounced your name correctly, sir. This is a really cool one. It's got some great tones in it, and I'm using a really cool pedal. In fact, all three pedals are from micro businesses, so please do check them out. First up, a really cool germanium fuzz using, you know, NOS components and all that good stuff. It's called the Sadist Fuzz. It's brilliant fun. Great for all that stuff. This tune has a couple of guitar parts, 1 pound hard right, 1 pound hard left, and I'll show you both guitar parts. The other guitar part is a totally different guitar tone, and I'm using the funny little boxes skeleton key for that. It's way more trebly, but with that bit of grunt. Really sort of cuts through against the other one. And we've also got the SoundLoud Liverpool Sketchy. Get a discount code if you want it. This is brilliant. I've got the harmonic trem on for the... So, three amazing pedals, three amazing people. Do go check them out. So, on with the lesson. We're in C standard, so you're going to need to tune your guitar to that. So you'll have something like this. And the intro is kind of in free time, in like a 6/8 feel, goes like this. That's the first few times. So we're basically going from the 5th fret down a fret with some noodly stuff, right? So it's arpeggiated. Again, there's two guitar parts actually playing here, but you could play these on one guitar. And then back around. Then you've got like that, right? Pretty straightforward stuff. Now I'm actually going to show you one guitar part right the way through, because these do converge to a point. So if you want the second part, which is the... That stuff's going to start later on in the video, right? I'm just going to bang through all the way with this one first, okay? Over that riff, though, incidentally, the other guitar is just playing this. And then into the solo, okay? So following on from the intro, right, you're just doing, and this has gone into 4/4 as well now. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've got that little gallop, right? Down, up, down. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so... And then this comes in on the 4th beat, so it's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. And the solo, as I played at the beginning, 2, 3, 4. And around again. So the first part is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Some slides. I changed my position there. That again. Little half step bend and release, and then some slides. Or you could do a slide and a hammer on. Again. And there you could pick it twice if you like there. That's pretty straightforward. So let's move on. Again, the other guitar. It's the same chord, right? But you're just playing it here. But we'll come to that in a bit. Back into this riff. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And around again. Second time though, when you go to this part, you've got another slide up into it. You know, you've got all that stuff going on. That's played with a wah as well. I'm not going to plug the wah in, but if you want to, you know, nail the tone, get a wah pedal and play it over this bit slowly. One more time. You're basically plucking a note and then sliding. So that's the first bar. Then you go up to the 14th. Like that. Next part then is let's stop there. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And some slides. Then we got a bend and some runs. I wish I had plugged the wah in now, because that bend with the wah is sublime. Anyway, half step bend. That's cool. So it's a bend, release, pull off. And another one. And then from here you've got this cool run. Okay, so it's that basically. It's a repeating pattern. Pull off from the 17th to the 14th. And then some 8th notes. You do that 4 times. And then you go to this partial, you know, repeat of it, right? Or, sorry, would be the correct speed. So that's that part, right? Then you go into this. And then into another solo again, right? So it's just some palm muting, and both guitars converge here, right? So 8th notes or palm muting, and then the dynamics come up, right? This next solo is pretty crazy, actually. It goes. Really cool and unusual. So again, slowly. And then you got this 1, 2, 3. And then you're up to the 9th fret. Okay, so that's slowly. 1, 2, 3. And then the next part goes. That's cool. And then just crazy, this part, right? You'll just have to learn these notes because it's such an unusual approach to soloing, but really cool. So I'll play it through slowly. 1, 2. All right, following so far. Then we've got and you do like a little bit at the end there, okay? So that last part, it's quite quick actually as well, this. Something along those lines, right? You've got all the tabs, so, enjoy yourself. Then back into this. And then it joins in. I'll turn the fuzz off for a sec so you can hear this more clearly. So you're going to play. So down, 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 down. Then down 1 fret. You could just play that all the way through if you wanted. But for this part, the second variance would be... You just don't do the full chord again there. And there's a little slide there. And then you're into... And there's a little gallop at the end there, right? And you go into the next riff. Now the next riff is cool. It's basically this. And then a fill. With some wah. There's no way you'll be able to switch the wah on and off quickly enough for this. The other guitar part actually stays on that chord, right? So before we dive into the fills, the riff, I would plant my first finger and play either like this with like a power chord shape, and then because you're going to do 9/9. My finger at that angle makes that shape okay. You could probably do it with your third finger too. Don't worry if not, just play. Don't worry about the top string, right? Just play. And then move your third or fourth finger, whichever one you're using, down 1 string. And then the fill. Okay, so you're doing 11th fret, up 2 frets, and then back to that, which would be a D shape if we were in normal tuning, or D major chord. Let's put the fuzz back on, because then you're going to do, which is a cool half step bend in the 11th fret and release. 13. The next one goes again. So that's the vibe, right? The next bit is just this, but with some wah wah flutteriness, and then the fourth one goes. I think that has some crazy chorus effect on it, really fast chorus effect. And then the fifth time it hangs on this chord, so that would be. and back around. The 6th fill goes... It's a really cool load of gallops. It's... And back around. And this one goes... like that. Like that. That's the 7th one. And then the last one goes... on a really exaggerated slide at the end, okay? So you're just going to go from... just 8 stabs. Like that. And that is actually the end, but let me flip over to the skeleton key so you can hear some of the other guitar part. You've probably got all you want out of this by now, but this is cool. And this again, this is in the left speaker, okay? This is when the whole band comes in. It's... pretty straightforward. There was just a slight difference in the 4th one, which is this. Okay, and then we've got... subtle difference there is that the accent's moved. See, that's shifted over, right? Like a beat. Next one. And there's 4 there at the end, right? If you care, those are the variants. There's a few more really, because it's very subtly different all the way through, to be honest. The verse and the solo parts, then generally you want to play... and you got that going on. And then... which you know, and then in the outro, this part just played, and this is all the fills. All that stuff. You'd have... so you've got all that stuff going on. That is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.